Abbreviations. ABCI Application Blockchain Interface. ACID Atomicity Consistency Durability. AD Advanced Driving. ADAM Automatable Discovery and Access Matrix. AES Advanced Economies. AEMET Spanish State Meteorological Agency. AI Artificial Intelligence. AML Anti-Money Laundering. AMLD4 Fourth Anti-Money Laundering Directive. API Application Programming Interface. AUC Area under the ROC Curve. BDA Big Data Analytics. BD versus A Big Data Value Association. BFM Business Finance Management. BIAN Banking Industry Architecture Network. BIS Bank of International Settlements. BISM Bi-Somatic Metadata. BOE Bank of England. BOS Bank of Slovenia. BPMN Business Process Modeling Notation. BPR Bayesian Personalized Ranking. BSM Basic Safety Message. BTC Bitcoin Token. CAPEX Capital Expenses. CAM Cooperative Awareness Messages. CAN Controller Area Networks. CASTLE Continuously Anonymizing Streaming Data via Adaptive Clustering. CBDCs Central Bank Digital Currencies. CD Continuous Delivery. CDC Change Data Capture. CEP Complex Event Processing. CI Continuous Integration. CMA Consent Management Architecture. CMS Consent Management System. CPU Central Processing Unit. CRISPDM Cross-Industry Standard Process for Data Mining. CPS Customer Profile Similarity. CSPs Cloud Service Providers. CSS Cascading Style Sheets. CSV, Separated Values. CTF Counter-Terrorist Financing. CTTPs Critical ICT Third-Party Providers. CITS Cooperative Intelligent Transport Systems. CVAR Conditional Value at Risk. DAG Directed Acyclic Graphs. DAIRO Data, AI and Robotics. DBMS Database Management Systems. DCEP Digital Currency Electronic Payment. DEFI Decentralized Finance. DENM Decentralized Environmental Notification Messages. DGT Directorate General of Traffic. DQS Data Quality Services. DL Deep Learning. DLT Distributed Ledger Technology. DORA Digital Operational Resilience Act. DOT Polkadot Token. DPaaS Data Pipeline as a Service. DPO Data Protection Orchestrator. DSML Data Science and Machine Learning. DUA Data Use Ontology. DUOS Digital User Onboarding System. EBA European Banking Authority. EC European Commission. ECB European Central Bank. EEA European Economic Area. EHR Electronic Health Records. EMDS Emerging Market and Developing Economies. ERC Ethereum Request for Comment. ES Expected Shortfall. ESG Environmental Social and Governance. ESMA European Securities and Markets Authority. ETFs Exchange Traded Fund. EU European Union. EUBOF European Blockchain Observatory and Forum. FAANST Fast Anonymizing Algorithm for Numerical Streaming Data. FAAS Fintech as a Service. FADS Fast Clustering Based K-Anonymization Approach for Data Streams. FAST Fast Anonymization of Big Data Streams. FATF Financial Action Task Force. FFT Fast Fourier Transform. FIBO Financial Industry Business Ontology. FIGI Financial Industry Global Instrument Identifier. FinTech, Financial Technology. FTP File Transfer Protocol. FX, Foreign Exchange. GAE Graph Autoencoder. GCN Graph Convolutional Networks. GDP Gross Domestic Product. GDPR General Data Protection Regulation. GPU Graph Processing Unit. GRUS, Gated Recurrent Units. GUI Graphical User Interface. HD High Definition. HDFS Hadoop Distributed File System. HDP Hortonworks Data Platform. HIBS Hierarchical Identity-Based Signature. HMCU Hybrid Modular Communication Unit. HPC High Performance Computing. HS Historical Simulation. HTLC Hashed Time Locked Smart Contracts. HTML Hypertext Markup Language. HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol. ICO Initial Coin Offering. IFX International Foreign Exchange. IIC Industrial Internet Consortium. IIoT Industrial Internet of Things. IIRA Industrial Internet Reference Architecture. IoT Internet of Things. I versus I in Vehicle Information Message. JSON, JavaScript Object Notation. KIDSK Anonymization Data Stream. KPI Key Performance Indicator. KYB Know Your Business. KYC Know Your Customer. LIME Local Interpretable Model Agnostic Explanations. LKIF Legal Knowledge Interchange Format. LTM Local Transactional Managers. LSM Log Structured Merge Tree. MC Monte Carlo. MDS Master Data Management. MICA Markets in Crypto Assets. MIFID2 Markets in Financial Instruments Directive. ML Machine Learning. MLT Multi-Layer Perceptron. MPI Message Passing Interface. MPT Modern Portfolio Theory. NACE Nomenclature of Economic Activities. NDCG Normalized Discounted Cumulative Gain. NFC Near Field Communications. NFT Non-Fungible Tokens. NGSI Next Generation Service Interfaces. NGSILD Next Generation Service Interfaces Linked Data. NIST National Institute of Standards and Technology. NLP Natural Language Processing. NP Network Policy. OBD2 Onboard Diagnostic Port. OBU Onboard Unit. OD Own Damage. ODS Operational Data Store. OLAP Online Analytical Processing. OPEX Operational Expenses. OSIN Open Source Intelligence. PALMS Platform for Anti-Money Laundering Supervision. PAYD Pay As You Drive. PBOC People's Republic Bank of China. PCC Participant-Centered Consent. PEPs Politically Exposed Persons. PHYD Pay How You Drive. PLM Product Lifecycle Management. POC Proof of Concept. PSC People of Significant Control. PSD2 Second Payment Services Directive. PSP Payment Service Provider. QR Quick Response. RA Reference Architecture. REM Rapid Eye Movement. RFR Random Forest Regression. RM Reference Model. RNN recurrent neural network. ROC receiver operating characteristic. RSUS roadside units. RTGS real-time gross settlement system. RWD real-world data. SARs suspicious activities reports. SAX symbolic aggregate approximation. SCA strong customer authentication. SDGs Sustainable Development Goals. SEPA Single Euro Payments Area. SHAP Shapley Additive Explanations. SKY Stream K Anonymity. SPAT Signal Phase and Timing Message. SPEIDI Service Provider EIDAS Integration. SQL Structured Query Language. SRM Service Request Message. SLO Service Level Objectives. SME Small Medium Enterprises. SPV Simple Payment Verification. SRRI Synthetic Risk and Reward Indicator. SS Tables String Sorted Tables. S versus M Support Vector Machine. SVR Support Vector Regression. SWAF Sliding Window Anonymization Framework. TCO Total Cost of Ownership. TGAT Temporal Graph Attention. TF Terrorist Financing. TPP Third Party Provider. TRA Transaction Risk Analysis. TTP Trusted Third Party. UBI Usage-Based Insurance. UI User Interface. UMA User Managed Access. UX User Experience. USD United States Dollar. UTXO Unspent Transaction Output. VAR Value at Risk. VASP Virtual Asset Service Provider. VAT Value Added Tax. VGAE Variational Graph Autoencoder. VC Variance Covariance. V2I Vehicle to Infrastructure. V2V Vehicle to Vehicle. V2X Vehicle to Everything. XAI Explainable Artificial Intelligence. XML Extensible Markup Language. 5G AA 5G Automotive Association.